Hello, welcome to my site. I'm just going to talk you through some of the features of this particular type of websites and why they're so great for small local businesses. Now, the first thing is that you'll see that the whole site is what they call above the fold. Everything is on one page, and what that means is the visitor doesn't have to do any scrolling. The less looking about for information a visitor has to do, the more likely they are to stay on your site and click through, but because otherwise they're just going to click away. People have a very short attention span nowadays, so it's important that information is easy to see and easy to find on your site. So you can see it's all on one page. It's all on one page, all above the fold. The next thing is the telephone number. Again, very, very important. That's what people are looking for when they're looking for local businesses, and it's not hidden away in a contact form. It's in three places on the page. As you'll see above here, there's a mobile number. There's a flashing telephone number here on the right hand side, and again the telephone number here at the bottom of the page. Impossible to not see the phone number. The next thing that you'll see is building trust with your visitor, very important. And there's a testimonial box, a scrolling testimonial box on the left hand side. And the thing to do is to get testimonials. If you've already got them, great, but to gather testimonials from every customer that you get, make sure that you add them to this box as and when they come, and the speed of this testimonial box can be increased. So actually you can, if it shows that you've got testimonials, loads and loads of testimonials, and they're going by quite quickly, it just shows visitors that you've got loads of customers and they're all happy with you, and that builds a lot of trust. So that's very powerful. The next thing is, you'll see obviously there's this sliding gallery here, and this particular gallery tells, first of all, it shows exactly what you do in a very visual way. This roofer shows that they do these pitched tiled roofs, and very high quality tiling, and that's shown immediately in this visual fashion. This particular sequence shows a story where you see the story of how the roof was built, but you can use it for before and after photos, which I think is very powerful, or indeed the finished article, which again is very powerful. But I think before and after are probably the best to do it for. And you can put your whole gallery here, and people can just click through again without having to leave the front page. It's all on the first page right in front of them. The next thing is, you'll see there's this very big bold local arrow that points down into the inquiry form, and this is a clickable form. So you just click the form, and that means that the visitor can just submit their inquiry online without having to phone you. Important in case people are at work and they're just in the car or something, and they don't want to contact you by phone, and they just want to send a message. By the way, all these websites are mobile enabled already, so that's another thing that you don't have to think about. They're already, when people switch to them from a mobile phone, they're already mobile friendly, so that's hundreds of pounds already just saved there, not having to get a mobile website. The next thing is that this is easily manageable yourself. Now what happens is you have a login page that you just log into. Sorry, I'll just go on here, and this is the dashboard, and I'm just going to show you how simple this is. I'll just go back here. Alright, so you just click on all pages. So here's a testimonial page. You just click on edit. Okay, you just write in what you want. So let's say, love this service, just as an example, a client, and then you just click update, and that's it. It converts. It's already got the HTML. You don't have to know any code or anything. You just put the page in yourself. And if you look here, and I go to the testimonials page, you'll see that it's already written there. Okay, so that's how easy it is to actually update the site yourself. It's literally just point and click, and makes it very, very simple for you to manage. So no expensive web design fees needed.